in order to even better respond to the most diverse customer requirements. Mercedes-Benz Trucks is adding 2 models to its Actros range, the new Actros F and Edition 2.
Special TV is a TV channel with video reports about special transport, heavy lifting, special equipment, and trucks.
The new Actros F and Edition 2, Mercedes-Benz Trucks is accessing new target markets with these 2 models. In order to even better respond to the most diverse customer requirements, Mercedes-Benz Trucks is adding 2 models to its Actros range, the new Actros F and Edition 2. As Mercedes-Benz's entry into the world of tractor units above 18 tons, the new Actros F caters to customers who place particular emphasis on efficiency and functionality. New special model, with Edition 2, which is limited to 400 vehicles, Mercedes-Benz underscores its market leadership in the area of premium long-distance trucks. In combination with Mercedes-Benz Uptime, new service contracts such as Mercedes-Benz Complete Mile can help to optimize cash flow. With groundbreaking innovations, the newest Actros generation from Mercedes-Benz Trucks takes everything to a very high level with more efficiency for hauliers, better comfort for truckers, and improved safety for all road users. Innovations such as the multimedia cockpit, mirror cam, further developed safety systems and partially developed driving functions ensure that the Actros excellently fulfills many awards, including the International Truck of the Year 2020 award. Confirm that Mercedes-Benz Trucks' new flagship raises the bar in many ways. But there can't and won't be a standstill in the commercial vehicle sector, especially because haulage companies and truck manufacturers are facing major challenges in a highly competitive environment. For this reason, and in order to serve the most diverse customer requirements even better, Mercedes-Benz Trucks is adding 2 models to its Actros range. The new Actros F and Actros Edition 2. The new Actros F, Mercedes-Benz's entry into the world of tractor units of 18 tons and up. Whether it's efficiency, safety or comfort, the Mercedes-Benz Actros has been setting high standards for heavy trucks since 1996. Its most recent generation, from 2018 onward, has constantly been setting new milestones with a multitude of innovations. In addition, Mercedes-Benz will be bringing the new Actros F to market in January 2021 in 24 EU countries and selected non-EU markets, a model specifically designed for pure functionality. Actros F is a perfect fit for customers who, for example, are simply looking for a functional truck apart from all the complexities concerning the logistical and organizational processes of their fleet. These customers are consciously opting for a commercial vehicle with the 3-pointed star, but don't necessarily need all the innovations present in the most recent Actros generation. They want a truck with an attractive price-performance ratio and the authentic Mercedes-Benz Trucks DNA. In other words, a vehicle that embodies the defining Mercedes-Benz values such as top quality, reliability, efficiency, functionality, safety and high utility value. Available in 17 assembly model designations and as a left-hand drive only. The Actros F is ideal for conventional and regional long-distance traffic, especially as a swap-body vehicle, dump truck or silo transporter. For this purpose, particular emphasis was placed on high comfort for the drivers, in addition to maximum functionality for fleet operators. The newly designed cab in the Stream Space or Big Space variants, with its 2.5-meter width and 120mm engine tunnel height, offers excellent spaciousness for its class and also allows the driver easy entry and exit with only 3 steps. The new Actros F comes with a classic cockpit as well as conventional glass side mirrors as standard. In combination with the navigation system, climate control and several choices of optional equipment. There's also the addition of the new, user-friendly 10-inch multimedia cockpit with multifunction steering wheel in the current Actros generation. The new predictive powertrain control is another optional feature that calibrates the automatic gear shift according to a topography-adapted driving style and therefore enables additional fuel savings in combination with a precisely tuned shifting strategy. In addition, there are also safety features such as the 5th-generation active brake assist, which has been a standard feature, where required by law, of Actros vehicles throughout Europe since January 2020, and lane keeping assist. Optionally, the new Actros F can also be equipped with sideguard assist. Fleetboard. The standard connectivity solution, the Actros F aims for a high level of efficiency. With real-time data, hauliers are always kept up to date about their vehicles and are able to run their fleets even more economically thanks to the intelligent cross-linking of driver, fleet and assignment. This is even more true for the optional upgrade to the expanded Fleetboard services with a new user interface. In everyday operation, it's also decisively important for fleet operators to identify and resolve any possible disruption in time. Therefore, when it comes to connectivity, the Actros F also enables intensive customer support via Mercedes-Benz Uptime. Thereby, the fully automatic telediagnosis continuously monitors the status of several vehicle systems in the truck in real time. In case of maintenance and service requirements, Mercedes-Benz's service immediately offers individual support. Individually configurable service packages as well as perfectly tailored leasing, financing and insurance solutions round off the service spectrum for the Actros F and contribute to additional planning security in these areas. In this regard, Mercedes-Benz Trucks has always been relying on innovative solutions. The service contract Mercedes-Benz Complete Mile, which is available from March 2021 onward for all Actros, Arocs and Artigo models in many European markets, exemplifies this. Like Mercedes-Benz Complete, the flexible service contract encompasses all workshop work including wear parts. But its concept is different. The monthly rate depends on the actually driven kilometers. so it makes no difference whether the customer is active in a cyclical sector such as construction or agriculture, or has stronger or weaker business months, and therefore changing mileages. Mercedes-Benz Complete Mile therefore can contribute to cash flow optimization. The mileages are automatically sent via Mercedes-Benz Uptime to Mercedes-Benz Trucks IT systems and are seamlessly processed for digitalized invoicing. Actros Edition 2 Limited Special Model. Whereas with the new Actros F, Mercedes-Benz Trucks especially focuses on customers who mainly want the greatest possible functionality from a commercial vehicle. The Actros Edition 2, which can be ordered from January 2021, caters to an entirely different target group, innovation-loving professional drivers and self-driving hauliers whose truck is their home, and who place great value on individual style and high comfort. Actros Edition 2 drivers have a strong emotional bond with their vehicle, which is more than a working and driving machine to them. With the special model, hauliers enhance their company's image while also holding a trump card against the current shortage of drivers. Up to 40 additional options for interior and exterior, as well as design elements from Edition 1 give the Actros Edition 2, limited to 400 vehicles, an unmistakable character. A whole range of equipment features highlight the Edition 2's sense of luxury. Among these, the stylish interior boasts a dashboard and door handles covered in Napa leather, several interior parts in a carbon fiber look, as well as a roof hatch with ambient lighting. The new home screen in the multimedia cockpit's primary display, as well as the Edition logo out of polished and brushed aluminium on the passenger side, are also real eye-catchers. The top bed comes with bedding and has a width of 900 mm. An all-around curtain, almond beige on the inside, black on the outside, ensures privacy in a stylish way. This equally applies to the curtain with a Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star in front of the bed. The highlights of its exterior include, among other things, exclusive side wall decals with a star pattern, the Edition 2 lettering in the lacquered sun visor, the Actros emblem in front, the Actros lettering on the upper side of the cab's back wall, 4 additional LED spotlights in the sun visor, as well as 3 LED working lights behind the cab. From the side, the stainless steel entrance steps are especially noticeable. The rear axle caps are also stainless steel, with protective wheel nut caps. Additionally, an illuminated Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star with black aperture and several decorative grille elements in dark chrome also comes as standard, while the headlamp surround is darkened. 2 is offered for all 2 and 3 axle variants of the current Actros generation, with Giga Space and Big Space cabs as a left-hand or right-hand drive. The cab paint is freely selectable and can be tailored specifically to the customer's company colors, while the vehicle front is always painted in moonstone gray metallic, which ensures a high recognition value. In addition, the Actros Edition 2 also comprises individually configurable service packages such as the new mileage-based service contract Mercedes-Benz Complete Mile, as well as made-to-measure leasing, financing and insurance solutions. Mercedes-Benz Trucks' goal with the Edition 2 is the same as its goal with the current Actros generation, to contribute to accident-free traffic and advance toward the vision of fully accident-free driving by utilizing active safety assistance systems. For this purpose, The Edition 2 is equipped with the Emergency Braking Assistant Active Brake Assist in its 5th generation, ABA5, the optional Active Drive Assist, ADA, for partially automated driving, say Level 2, the standard mirror cam that replaces main and wide-angle mirrors, as well as the side guard assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection available ex-works. In conjunction with these assistance systems, the further developed Predictive Powertrain Control, PPC, is also impressive. The system not only saves a lot of fuel, but is also a relief for the driver on rural routes.